Right, just a very quick video. Just been working on this particular Defender D350. Upgrades are as follows: latest generation Quicksilver exhaust system, which I'll show you in a second. Full soundproofing in all the doors, so completely sound deadened. This now will make the driving a lot quieter internally, but also it'll improve the sound for the audio in here, because the sound's not going outside now, it's all just staying inside. We've also done our exclusive Softclose all the way around on all four doors on this one, and then I'll just let you listen to the burble. So lovely Quicksilver exhaust system now, so it completely changes the whole dynamics of a diesel Defender. Amazing quality. We've installed so many of these now, I absolutely love them. We've got one over here on our 90 as well for demo purposes. We've also retrofitted and coded Clearsight in here because the customer didn't have it as an option when it arrived, unfortunately. So that's been fully installed and retrofitted as per Land Rover specifications and coding, and then also you get the extra rear camera on the top. So yes, all in all, a nice few upgrades on this lovely Defender 110. If you'd like any other upgrades for your Defender or these particular upgrades, then please give us a call here at Defender Retrofit. Deliver free Defenders here, so if there's anything you want doing, we can do it.